Startup real estate investing financing. How do you get it? Maybe you're just launching a real estate investing business, or maybe you've already launched it, but you're having tough time getting the money you need. Well, I'm about to decode my 3 favorite ways that real estate investors can get money, even if you're just launching your real estate investing business. We're going to talk about how to tap into these 3 sources to get the money you need, and how easy it is to qualify, which is why they're my top 3 favorites, how to get the best terms on the financing you get. And if you stick around at the end, I'm going to get you access to my funding vault on 27 killer ways to get money to grow your real estate investing business. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So when it comes to real estate investing, look, it's a tough industry to get funding, as you typically know, and here's why. It's seen as financial services, and financial services is seen as high risk by a lot of lenders. So what you don't want to do is go to your big traditional banks like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo. They just don't like lending to that kind of industry, as a lot of other fintech lenders don't as well. So where do you go to get the money you need? Let's talk about my 3 favorite ways. My first one is a program called Credit Line Hybrid. I love this because it will give you the money you need to buy your initial properties. With Credit Line Hybrid, you're able to get as much as $150,000 in funding, and you can give it even as a high-risk industry, even as a brand new startup business. But here's the best parts. You can get it 0% rate. That's 0% for upwards of 18 months, and you could take the cash out at 0%. Credit Line Hybrid is the only program that exists that you could take cash out at 0%. So it gives you everything you need to be able to buy your first or multiple properties, and then be able to rehab those properties or do whatever it is you want to do with your real estate investing business, whether you're actually just buying them to hold and rent out, or whether you're looking for a quick flip. So Credit Line Hybrid is one of the best programs out there, easy to qualify. You don't need to have collateral. You don't need to have cash flow. All you need is good personal credit. The best part is, even if you don't have good personal credit, you can use a guarantor that does. Half of the people that we help qualify for this program don't have good personal credit, but they rely on a family member, a friend, a potential investor, somebody else that does have good credit to come in as a guarantor to help them get approved. So Credit Line Hybrid, number 1 on my list to help you get the money that you need to launch your real estate investing business. Number 2 on my list is business credit. And business credit's essential because, again, anybody can get it. What's nice about business credit is you don't need cash flow, you don't need credit, you don't need collateral. None of the factors you need to qualify for most financing you need with business credit. And business credit can be invaluable for so many different ways. First of all, if you're doing any kind of rehab or maintenance on properties, business credit gets you all the money you need to do so. Business credit will actually give you access to places like Amazon, Walmart, to be able to buy the things you need to put in the properties. If you're looking at staging, for example, renting them. You're also looking at places like Home Depot, Lowe's, and many other sources that can give you the building supplies, the materials you need to actually do rehabs for quick fix and flip type properties. You can be able to get credit with almost every other major kind of retailer. So anything you need to be able to maintain properties or to be able to fix and flip properties, you can get using business credit. And again, considering anybody can qualify and you can get it as a startup business, a really popular way that we see a lot of real estate investors use to tap into to be able to get the money they need to expand their real estate investing empire. Now, the third on my list is specific to this industry, and it's called house reseller or house flipper financing. Now, with house flipper financing, you can get it even if you've never flipped a property before. As a matter of fact, you can get 100% of the money you need to buy a property to flip and to rehab the property you need to flip as well. There's a lot of different sources out there. At the end of this training, I'm going to get you access to our number to give us a call so we can put you with the right source. Some require that you have lots of experience, lots of money, and a backup account. Others, you're able to get with no experience, even if you just launch your business, if you have the right property. So a lot of these type of lenders out there, but with house reseller, it's specific financing, specific to the purpose of fixing and flipping. And by the way, to take a step back, a lot of our clients tap into these type of programs like Credit Line Hybrid to actually come in, buy an actual property, use business credit to rehab the property, then they'll turn around, even put a renter in there, refinance the property, take the cash out, continue the process. A lot of our other clients will come in and actually use programs like Credit Line Hybrid to be able to buy a property, use business credit to be able to fix up the property, and then they turn around, fix and flip, take their profit, be able to do repeat the process, and I guess you could say rinse and repeat. A lot of our other clients are just using House Reseller Program. So they're just coming in and getting the funding they need to do the fix and flip with one kind of funding. They're not even tapping into any other kind of source. So there's so many different strategies that you can get deploying these three, which is why they're my three favorite to help you launch or to grow a real estate investing business. So if you want access to 27 killer ways to get money to grow your real estate investing empire, make sure you grab our free guide at creditsuite.com/27 ways and give us a call for a free consultation. On this consultation call, we will actually talk to you about all the funding you can get right now. We'll help you improve your fundability to be able to qualify for even more money, and we'll get your business credit reports for you at no cost and go through those with you, giving you tips and tactics to quickly being able to build your business credit. Grab that consultation at 877-600-2487, or you can schedule online at creditsuite.com/consult. Did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out on our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get money to start and grow your business.